That means it's time for a story of trains short. Of course we're getting on at Greenbelt. A day in Baltimore.
Hello, Nadim and Engines.
Hi, 7,000 series.
What are you doing here, at Greenbelt, on the MARC commuter rail platform?
We're catching the MARC tandem line to Baltimore today. It's a transit-free day, so we're taking the opportunity to spend a day in Baltimore.
Baltimore, why aren't you riding the Washington Metro?
We'll ride the Washington Metro when we come back, 7,000 series. When we come back to D.C. in the afternoon or evening.
Well, tell my cousins, the light rail and the Baltimore Metro, I said hi.
Say hi to your cousins. The light rail and the Baltimore Metro. You got it.
Thanks, Engines.
I didn't know you have cousins.
Yes, my cousins are the Baltimore Light Rail, the Baltimore Metro, and the New York City Metro.
Baltimore Metro and the New York City Metro. Yeah, sorry, but you get what I mean.
Okay, I'm out of here. See you later, Nadim and Engines.
Hey, the doctor! So I gotta show where we can pass. Bye! Oh, hey, 7,000 series. Your sister just left. Oh, here, the MARC train now.
Yes, Amtrak and MARC are my friends.
Oh, MARC and Amtrak are your friends. Well, of course, you'll offer
Doors open. Step back to allow customers to exit. When boarding, please move to the center of the car. Step back to
Stop in front of
MARC tandem line train is on a roll.
Goodbye, Nadim and Engines.
Bye, 7,000 series. Bye, Washington Metro.
We'll see you when we come back from Baltimore.
Have a good day in Baltimore.
Oh, we will. We'll have fun. See ya. Ride the rails and be safe. Back to the Metro Yard, where they store all their trains.
Next station stop is Burger. Not all doors will open. Please exit the train where you see a window.
Yeah, toot that horn. That's a railroad crossing. Oh, here we go. It's been a while since we've been to Baltimore.
That can't be it for the wall.
But now we're back. Now we're about to be a day. And that time we're there with Thomas. Mr. Thomas, you should live over there.
Look. This is Lowell. We packed in here a lot. We're going to Columbia.
racetrack. Met up with a marked train at another station and passed through a rail yard.
Passing through a yard.
Union Pacific, building America. Heck, all freight is building America. Union Pacific, CSX.
Norfolk Southern. Santa Fe. You mean Burlington or the Santa Fe?
Baltimore.
We made it. Cool.
I hope I see other transit enthusiasts here in Baltimore today too.
I sent you to share the story on Instagram.
Baltimore, Kansas Station, last station stop for the train ride. Please make sure that you have all your personal belongings. Please watch your step as you are exiting the mock train. On behalf of me and my crew, I'd like to thank you for riding mock field forces mock train this morning. Down to Baltimore, Kansas Station, last station stop. All doors will open.
This is Baltimore Canyon Station, last stop. Which door will the train open? Is it that door? Ooh, that's a tunnel. Light rail. Got that later. Oh, it's this side. Baltimore Canyon Station. We made it. Cool. Ooh, look.
Doors open. Step back. Allow customers to exit. When boarding, please move to the center of the car.
We made it. Thanks, Mark. See you later. Baltimore. So, where first? I know. I'll show you the original place of the Baltimore Autism Walk. The original place? Where was it? You'll see.
Jeez, it's really empty.
Not just any parking lot. This is where the original Autism Walk used to be, right here.
Wow. Really?
It's true. Now it's at that college place. Somewhere north of here.
What about the Regional Rail Museum? That's over there, right?
Yeah. You gonna check that out? Later.
Hey, look! It's a school bus that you survived.
I miss riding in them school buses. I didn't know Baltimore had these too. I thought we were up in Georgia County. Oh, talk about good timing at the railroad crossing. Our favorite. Hey, hang on. I don't see no train coming. Then in the distance, we heard another railroad crossing activating. Wait a minute. Look, over there. That crossing's activating too.
Now there's definitely a train coming.
But what? The last MARC train's on a new road. But there's no more MARC train until this afternoon.
Maybe it's a freight train.
Hey, get one back up.
activating again.
So we went to the other
So
crossing.
this is the other one.
That reminds me of the gravel crossing in Gaithersburg.
Looks like there's track work going on.
Well, when I was little, we used to, when we often wanted to be there, we would walk right past here and through here. I would sometimes see a MARC train.
I guess Mark 10 might run on weekends. Now it only runs on weekdays.
The only other MARC line that does run on weekends is the Penn line. So what now? Well, walking into the city hall. Oh, definitely there. Right now, that's
Manhattan area center. This is your light rail operations control center. Your MTA safety time is 10:20 a.m. We're currently operating on schedule. For your safety, please stand behind the lines on the platform. And remember, if you see something, say something. And have a safe day.
oh, we're gonna catch the tram.
Or train.
Tram, train, whatever.
Oh,
Oh, door, get to the door, get to the door, get to the door! Ah! Oh, gotta hit the button though. Step back to allow customers exit.
When boarding, please move to the center of the car.
We're boarding. Stay with the car.
decom. Hey, decom made that also.
Just like the Solo Express and I think the 6000 series.
Step back, doors closing.
Alright, let's go. That's the market. That's what we're getting. We're getting off here.
Why?
The 7000 series wants us to say hi to her cousin. Her cousin? The Baltimore Metro. We made it. Wait, how does the driver open the door? There's a yellow button. I wonder. Haha, of course, the button opens the doors. We made it. Cool. Wow, the tram didn't have to stop at the red light. I guess the tram, whatever you call it, has the right of way.
Haha, good for them.
Now let's check out the Washington Metro 7000 series cousins.
The Baltimore Metro.
This is what they use for Metro pylons in Baltimore?
I wonder how they do in New York City.
This is different from the one in Washington, D.C. Let's check out the Baltimore Metro. Wow, this is the underground station.
Wow, it looks different. It looks different from the one in DC.
Way different. 7000 series really has cousins. Well, that's the station. What about the trains?
Let's go. We'll get the fare machines open. Be ride free.
Oh, here's the 7000 series
This
cousins.
is the eastbound train to Johns Hopkins.
Baltimore Metro on a roll.
Next stop is Charles Center.
Oh, I didn't know that.
The connecting buses are 51, 57,
This is the last stop. Please gather your belongings and watch your step when exiting the train. Thank you for riding the Baltimore Metro. This is the last stop. Hello? Who said that? Me. You talk, what's up, Baltimore Metro? Yes. Welcome to the Baltimore Metro. Oh, yes. The 7,000 told us to say hi to you. Oh, she did. Tell us to hi back when you go back to DC. We will. So this is the end of the line. Does this hit the end of the line for the Baltimore Metro? I must say. Wow. Wow. Terminus station for the Baltimore Metro Underground is just like the Washington DC Metro. They operate 2-car trains. Whoa! Metro is on a roll again. We're not running to the end of the line, are we? Let's get off here. Mama, it is cold down here. Ooh, it is chilly. Oh? Get off. They sound like kids on the 4000 series that they ran back in the day. Oh yeah, they do. Sounds so similar. Why is this station called Penn North? Yeah, Penn Station's all the way back in Baltimore. And Lightville. I mean, look at us. Look where Baltimore is. I can see Baltimore in the distance. We're really far from Baltimore. Well, not that far, but close. Wow, that is one big ball. I don't think Tank can grab this big thing. I feel like something is missing. Let's think for a minute. Sub what? Sub there? Sub street? No. Sub train? Sub train? That's ridiculous. Sub air? No. What do y'all think? I think it's a subway. There used to be an abandoned subway. I'm guessing COVID-19 shut it down. We don't really know how this subway closed. If y'all do, comment below, please. I'm guessing this is for all these people from the hood or ghetto hangouts. If the people from the hood, don't they just hang on the neighborhood? Oh, I get it. Neighborhood. Good one. Huh. Come on, trains. Let's head back to Baltimore. It's nearly lunchtime. Lunchtime? Where are you gonna eat? There's a Chick-fil-A in Baltimore. Oh, where we are. We're definitely not in downtown Baltimore. Nope. We have to catch the metro. Good thing we stay close to the station. Still not used to the pylon though. It is different than what I want to eat. head back on this Baltimore Metro. So I got back on the Baltimore Metro and I rode it to Cultural Center. I got off the train and watched it as the train departed. And later I was on the Cultural Center light rail platform. Now where are we? There's a sea, but this time we're at the light rail station. The metro station was over there. It's a transfer. Right. Yeah, look over there. I walk across the tracks to look at the map. 2 metro stations connect to the light rail. You see? You see it? It's Crystal Center and nice. Let's go back over. The train's gonna be here soon. I don't know why it's called tram. I mean, they both run on rail, but tram and train, I don't know which one should be called right. Here's the train now.
Doors opening. Step back to allow customers to exit. When boarding, please move to the center of the car.
On the train again. Train. It's still weird calling this that.
Please stand clear of those closing cables station.
Mount Vernon?
That reminds me of a station. What was it? I think it's Mount William Square 7th Street Convention Center. Back in Washington, D.C. Okay, so what do we have to share here with the park? Yeah, the light rail's not that bad.
Heck, it's the same at the streetcar in Washington, D.C.
Like Mount William Square 7th Street Convention Center. Chick-fil-A is somewhere over there.
And that's where we are going.
Here we are, Convention Center.
This station is Convention Center.
See, I got better idea before we go lunch. Where? Let's go to the Baltimore and Ohio Rail Museum.
Wow, we can't walk all the way. It's too far.
We gotta catch the bus. The orange line of bus is over there. Okay. So we ride the bus to the museum. It's my first time riding on the MBTA bus beside the Metro bus. And soon we arrive. Yep. Baltimore and Ohio Railroad Museum. Now we get around the bus. Now to the museum. It's only a few blocks away. Here we are, the B&O Railroad Museum in Baltimore, Maryland, the birthplace of American railroading.
Well, the B&O was the first the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad was the first railroad in North America, so yes, this is the birthplace of American railroading.
I've been here since the Elton's been here in the train line. Y'all are coming back here for Dad with Thomas, right? Yep. Man, we can't go right there. Well, I'll come back with Dad with Thomas and we can wait till then.
Look at all these train cars here from different railroads. And one of them would just say, see you now. See you now. Oh, so for Chesapeake in Ohio. That's supposed to be BNO. BNO sure stand for Baltimore in Ohio. Hey, it's an RDC. Well, we're done here. We'll come back when Jalbert Thomas comes. Now let's get lunch. If I don't want to get exercise, let's take the bus. Okay, now where's your filet? Oh, I see it over there. Chick-fil-A lunch. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go eat at the train, back at the train station. National Harbor, they're in the aquarium. Back we were in the field trip while I was going to school. And there's a World Trade Center here? And they just keep doing it right here? I thought there was only one in New York City. At least this one is not attacked like the ones on 9/11. Oh, don't remind us. Eek! Back at the station eating. On the team anyway. Sorry about to catch the train back to DC. The first my train back is at 3:40. Because the one, let's catch the 521. It's train number 847. We'll catch the train at 5:25. Okay, goalkeeper, we have 2 hours left before we catch the train back to DC. What should we do now? See that train, or whatever you call it blowing in? Let's get back on it. And go to where? Jeez, I want to hit by that. Whew, I think I looked. Where again? Should we go back to the Baltimore Metro? Maybe. So we went back to the Baltimore Metro and rode the Baltimore Metro around for a few more. While on the Metro, I couldn't help but know that the trains are like bigger than the people compared to the one in Washington DC. Maybe on the light rail. What should we call this? Is this a light rail tram or a train? I don't know. Tram and train both on tracks. I don't know. It's so confusing. We ride the light rail past the line for the shuttle, which have been out of service for years. I don't know when they're going to start up again. I will get off at North Avenue Station. Look at that, it's 2 minutes away. Come on, let's spot the tracks and connect to our train. Yeah, this is coming out. What? The tricks. Jesus. This is the first time we've ever gone this far out of Baltimore northbound on the light rail. We can go further, but time. We gotta get back to the station, and look, our tram is here. Door. Aim for that door. Oh, yeah. Moving on our way home.
This station is
We've been on the
University
Baltimore
Center,
Metro.
Baltimore City.
Now it's time. We've been on the Baltimore Metro. Now let's go back to the Washington Metro. Back to Washington, D.C. Yeah.
University Center.
Soon we were back at Cannon Station. And I got off the train. Or tram.
Step back, doors closing.
Okay, I guess we'll hang out here until the Cannon Line train. What are you doing? Let's just ride to the next station. We'll catch the light rail back to here. Okay. Hopefully we can get back in time.
This station is Hamburg Street.
Look, I see the tracks. Alright, let's get off here and transfer.
Doors open. Step back to allow customers to exit. With boarding, please move to the center of the car.
So this is Hamburg Street. I can see the stadium over there. Yeah, because I remember when I used to Baltimore, I would see white rail trains like this from over there. Good view of the side. Okay, now I grab back over and get back to Cannon Station. Look, there's a Merc train. We gotta get back to the station and catch our train home. Alright, we can't stay in Baltimore for a night. Ew! I know trains are awesome, dude, but not us. If you wanna go watch a channel, link in the description. Here's our light. Here's the tram, whatever.
Luckily, we got back to the station and in a good time.
What's this door?
Doors open. Step back to allow customers to exit. With boarding, please move to the center of the car.
To the Mark train! Well, today been fun. Time to go home. Oh, goody, we got Mark 3 coaches. Just like the one we see at the Beano Road Museum.
To make the following stops, you'll see that Laurel Mercury Greenbelt
Let's go to the day in Baltimore. I know we'll do it again soon.
First stop,
But now, it's time to go back to our home city, the nation's capital. Nation's capital, y'all know what it is. Y'all know the name. Time to go back to our home city, the nation's capital, you know their name. Say it with me.
Washington, D.C.
This is a railroad crossing, like we were before. Only this time, the track workers are gone. Oh, no, wait, that's at the next crossing.
We leave Baltimore and head east towards Washington, D.C. Going faster than the cars. Smart train wins. Oh. Indeed. The train was faster than them cars. Like, really?
Can't beat the train.
Eventually, we were back in Prince George's County, Maryland.
It's a pack to the metro yard. And there's a metro station. Oh, let's be back on our home subway system. This is Greenbelt.
Connection is available to Metro Rail Green Line. Speaking of Green Line, a Green Line train passed us as we traveled to College Park. Then later we arrived at Riverdale Station.
Alright, we're at Riverdale. We're one stop away from Union Station. What a good day to go to Baltimore.
I'll be going back there soon for dinner with Thomas. Can't wait. After we approached Union Station, we kept our eyes open for their Liberty. Luckily, we saw it.
The Van Liberty. There it is in the yard. Oh, I can't refer to enter
But we
service.
were in for a surprise.
LC42.
As we would see, two Van Liberty sets in the yard.
LC42.
Wait, is
Another Van Liberty? Have mercy.
They gotta be ready for survey by now.
They
got to. The original cells that they 100% copy return.
Ooh.
Phase 3 cars. Can I have Fleet 3? Yeah, Superliner.
Home at last.
Good. Exact.
You guys tell us 7,000 series everything. Wow, what a good day. This transit enthusiast had a good one.
I'm so glad it was a transit-free day.
And a transit enthusiast had to ride it. Yay! Nice and empty. And is that what I think it is?
Phase 7! Phase 7 empties!
Yeah, I guess this is on display, I guess.
Don't know why, but I like it.
We got to see it cool.
Awesome Amtrak! I wonder when the A64 would be in Phase 7.
Only time will tell. Let's go tell the 7,000 series of our adventure to our day in Baltimore.
Now this,
Now this is the subway system we grew up with. Our home station looks.
And the trains. 3,000, 6,000, 7,000 series. Speaking of 7,000 series, we gotta tell the 7,000 series about our adventure when we see her. This is the 7,000 series.
No, this is the 3,000 series.
So where are we gonna find 7,000 series?
The yellow line. We can go to the yellow line here at Galway Chinatown.
Talk about good timing. We're here right now. Gary, play Chinatown.
We'll definitely be 7,000 series here. Let's go.
Hey, the cherry wrap is still about. I thought Metro took that off.
Obviously, people wanted to spot this special cherry wrap train.
It's awesome.
Huh. Not so awesome, I'm not wearing it.
Oh, come on, 7000 series. Did you have a wrap?
Yes, how was Baltimore?
I'll tell you on the yellow line train. Now come on, let's get to Malvern Square. Besides, look, you got a rap by yourself.
What's up?
I'm tired of yellow line trains ending here at Mount Vernon Square. I know, sis. I wanted to go back up to Ohinadim and engines.
Hi, 7000 series. We're back from Baltimore.
Welcome back. You got to tell me everything.
Yes, we'll tell you everything. Just let us get on board.
Doors opening. This is a yellow line train to.
Have you worked 7 line before?
Move to the center. Step back. Doors closing.
Hey, I didn't finish my
That train
sentence.
invented sentence. Come on.
Ugh, I had to deal with this all day.
Hey.
So, how was Baltimore?
Huh. Baltimore. We're well in Baltimore 7000 series.
Yeah, we rode the light rail and the Baltimore Metro.
Did you tell my cousins I said hi?
Yeah, 7000 series. We told them both you said hi.
Wait, you 7000 series? I didn't know you have cousins.
Okay, are there any other cousins you have that we don't know?
Well, my other cousins are the Chicago Metro and the New York City Metro, also called Subway.
Chicago, the Chicago Metro and the New York City Metro. Huh, odd.
Whoa, I don't know why we're going to Chicago.
But we've yet to go to New York.
Later, at Pentagon City.
Why at Pentagon City? Oh, I had to stop and get water.
Doors opening.
Oh no.
Not this operator again.
Ugh,
Step back. Doors closing.
I hate this operator.
Yeah, we don't like this operator either. Shit.
Won't let me do my line.
This operator is terrible and won't let the 7000 series talk. The 7000 series was not happy and neither was we.
Later, at Gallery Place, Chinatown.
Why are you running down? Is this a free line to...
Out. There.
A green line to Mount Vernon Square?
Why? 7000 series, why?
It's because of the baseball game.
Oh,
Alright, the football game.
Baseball, football, I'm not sure.
Gee. Oh dear, I'm a little damaged. Oh well.
okay, 7000 series. Do you have any more cousins?
Well, I forgot about my other cousin. It's the Philadelphia Metro.
There's a metro in Philadelphia, in Pennsylvania?
I didn't know that.
Yes, it's part of SEPTA.
Well, Okay. Guess that's all your cousins in the Northeast, I guess.
Chicago is not in the Northeast.
Yeah, Chicago. That's not the Northeast. What about your? What about the LA? What about the Los Angeles metro? That's too.
No, LA is in the Midwest, too far away from Washington, D.C.
Yeah, I guess no.
Turn around again?
Rush hour. Anyway, this ends this story of trains short.
Yeah, you're right. This ends the story of Train Short.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Oh, and keep a lookout for the horror movie. Trailer and theme song should be coming out soon.
Until then, goodbye and good night.
Everywhere